This scammer offered $100 to anyone who could make the coin land outside of the circle. As the first contestant took his shot, the vendor quickly stopped the ball, saying it was in the wrong spot. The little girl was furious, but since the vendor promised to not do it again, he attempted the challenge one more time, and this happened. Then with the next contestant, the same thing happened, and he got so mad that he started scolding the scammer. So on his second chance, the vendor promised not to touch the ball, and he kept his word, but even with a fair shot, he still missed. So when this guy came up and quickly noticed the scam, he told the vendor to put the ball exactly where he wanted, and with no tricks left, this happened.